In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on NFC in your Android phone. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now, from here, just go to connections option. Now, here you can see NFC and contactless payment. So, just tap here and that's it. Now, by tapping here, you can enable NFC and it's done. Now, here you can see default wallet app. Just tap here. You can choose multiple default wallet app. But in my phone there is only one wallet app, which is Google Wallet. So just select it and then go back. Now it's ready for use. Now if you go back and then swipe down again, you can also enable or disable NFC from here. Just tap on this edit option, then tap on edit. From here just find NFC. That's it. Just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to here. Then tap on done, then tap on done again and then swipe down and that's it. You can see it's added successfully. And that is how you can turn on NFC in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.